Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back to another story time with Mr. Kepke. I have a great book for you this evening. I hope that you guys had a wonderful weekend. I hope you have a good week of school this week. We have a great book for you this evening. It's by Kate Messner. It's called Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. It's a good book when considering our military. And our freedom. Rolling Thunder, Freedom Ride. Today, we'll be at Grandpa's side. Early morning, leaving home, gleaming wheels and polished chrome. Grandpa rides for Joe and Tom, friends he lost in Vietnam. Clicking, clacking, railroad track. Our trip is for Uncle Zach. Flying airplanes far away. His picture rides with me today. Through my window, buildings, towns, meadows rich with greens and browns. Now our journey's almost done. Obelisk and setting sun. Pentagon and city lights, finally our camping sites. Grandpa's friends in arms of steel greet us and prepare a meal. Potomac River, dark and deep. Whispered memories, friendship, sleep. Way too early, morning light, blooms from pink to yellow bright. Lines of bikes are miles long, shining, 500,000 strong. Rumbling, grumbling, engines roar. Peace signs, high fives, spirits soar. Motors growling, roaring near, crowds that cry and wave and cheer, raising flags of white and black for who never made it back. For soldiers lost in other days, POWs, MIAs. For soldiers serving still today, missing families far away, rolling, slowing to a crawl, stopping, there it is. The wall, polished marble, stark and bare, touch a name and say a prayer. Leave a single flower, kneel, names in charcoal, cry and heal. Vietnam's Veterans Memorial. Memories, speeches, quiet crowd, bugle song, and heads are bowed. Setting sun and rising moon, whispered wishes come home soon. Bound by war forever tied, one last look, it's time to ride. Rising smoke and glowing ember, Ride for freedom. Ride. Remember. Every year on Memorial Day weekend, veterans and their supporters gather in Washington, D.C. for the Rolling Thunder Ride for Freedom, a demonstration honoring American veterans. Motorcycle riders numbering hundreds of thousands. Many more come to watch and wave, all with a common message: we will never forget. Such a great, great book this evening. We have so much respect and love and admiration for our soldiers, and we're very grateful for all who have served our country, our POWs, MIAs, and we just want to give them a big shout out this evening. We love each of you very, very much, and hope you have a very good night.